What is the recovery time for a knee revision surgery? It's 6 to 12 months if you're having a knee replacement revision surgery, which is actually the same time for a traditional knee replacement surgery. It'll also be about 6 to 12 months. Now, what you need to know is that most people are having a revision surgery because of an infection, and the infection tends to happen within weeks after that initial surgery. So if they have a revision afterwards, they never really get to go through the full recovery time from the first surgery, which gives them a bad comparison between the two. On the other side of the situation, if you did not have an infection, but you have chronic pain problems for years even after your knee replacement, then it's possible that you never feel like you're recovered. And if you have a successful revision after that, the recovery might go very smoothly, and you might think that the revision surgery is faster and easier than the normal traditional knee replacement surgery. What's important to remember is that recovery times are relative to your situation.